I've mentioned before how much I enjoy a planner, and something I've learned that I really like is to do sticky note style planner where I write in my planner, but I also kind of plan and organize with sticky notes, and I can move them around and I can kind of start planning out with them, and then I don't have to go back and erase over and over, so you can kind of see I have some sticky notes. But I want a big 3-month at a time calendar to look at with my sticky notes, the dry erase. So I bought a big dry erase board and I mapped it out on my graph paper. And you can buy thin little tape like this. This is actually pinstripe tape for cars because I wanted it to be really fine, and I wanted gold or a soft pink or something. I was having a hard time finding. I could get like a whole pack, but I just wanted one color. I just wanted one color for my lines, so I'm going to have this fine little gold that I'm going to use for my lines, and I'm going to go to my vinyl cutter, and I've already designed on my computer the lettering for my calendar part, so I'm going to just send that over to the vinyl cutter and cut those out. So let's get all those things done, and then we'll start putting our calendar together. I originally wanted to hang it on the door behind me inside the closet because I don't really like to look at them, but my closet door is actually a little narrower than the board I bought. Should have measured, didn't. So I might end up hanging it up near my desk at that end where I can see it. I just don't love to look at it, but I may need to. All right, this is my computer program for my silhouette cutter, and I've just planned out some real basic lettering for the top of my calendar, and I've set it for Bluetooth, so we're going to go over to the silhouette, load it, and cut them out. Hey Peachy, did you come up to hang out with me? Have you been outside? You've got grass in your fur. I'm going to show you the supplies of what I'm going to work on. After that, I'm just going to switch to music and just show me putting it together. I've got my pinstriping tape that's actually for cars. This is car pinstriping tape, and it matches really well with my vinyl cutter vinyl that I have. So I cut out the names to go across the top, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and the word notes. I've already planned on doing 2-inch squares, which is perfect for the smaller post-it notes. And then I went ahead and cut out a few little sort of satellite star type shapes that I may or may not use for decor. The first line, this is the top, the first line is 1.5 inches deep, and that's where I'm going to put all of my lettering, etc. After that, they're going to be just under 2. I'm going to every time set my ruler at the top of the line. So I'm going to do my lines down first and then come back and go this direction. This tape is 1/8 of an inch, so if I put the 1/8 of an inch in, by the end you've lost a whole brick. So I'm kind of factoring in the size of my tape as I go so that you don't end up losing that. Fractions add up. So we're going to do that. I'm going to use just my little eraser marker for making my marks across so I know how long to make each thing. In the notes area, I don't want the lines to go all the way across. So I'm going to kind of just make a few dots in here to get everything straight. Start using my pinstriping, come back and add this. I need to weed these out and put the whole thing together. space right down here. This little space. This is how much tape I'm missing. Right here, and then I have a few little spots. I just need that much. I can't believe it. I'm so close. So what I think I'm going to do is take off this little piece up here so I can at least continue this and maybe fill in those few little spots. So let me pull that off. One nice thing about this tape is it's pretty easy to work. Kind of shocked at how close I was with my supplies. Yay, that's gonna work. Okay, I'm just gonna cut a few little strips here to finish these where I didn't quite measure right. Right, after all of that, this is what's left. This is it. All right, I'm gonna put my words at the top, and then I may add a few of my little stars that I cut out. I know that like Wednesday is a little too wide, so I may stack my letters or do something to get it to fit in there. And I have one little spot that's curvy right there that I somehow got off, but I'm not too upset with it. It's good. So I'm going to just tell you real quick what I did. I finished up where I ran out with the little bit that was on the side under notes, so I didn't have to reorder. And then my Monday and my Wednesday were too big, which I knew they were, and I kind of like the little crowded. I just think it's kind of fun and quirky, so I'm happy with that. So I added all of my days of the week, the word notes, and then I had printed out or cut out some little stars and things just for fun to add to it. So I've just put those along the edge, and that's my calendar. So now it's ready for me to start filling it out. And the thing I like about this is I can just go from one month to the next and number it. And I tend to color code my Post-it notes. So let me just show you how I do it. And I color code. So Wednesday, pinks. I always post my videos Wednesday, so pink is the video I want to have completed by that day. And so I will have the title or the pattern number or whatever for Wednesday. I've been doing that for a couple years now in my calendar, in my day planner, and I'm just going to carry it over into my big wall calendar as I do planning, because this is really for planning and working ahead. And then I do things like the green Post-it notes are usually the work project, working on the video, like the editing or the sewing day or the filming day, that sort of thing. And then I do personal things in other colors. I can also write in, because this is all just microboard. I like this because I can sit and make lots and lots of these and then come and start moving them around where I want them. I can put ideas and notes out to the side, including like patterns I need to buy or that sort of thing. So this is my new calendar. It's magnetic also, which is great because I can put pattern ideas, pictures, that sort of thing on there. I need to attach its little tray that holds the marker.